Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajela, Kemi Yakatanat Penroisor, Singaw Balangdhar, Hakasi Baar, Ka Arpun Riturik Unai Wing, Arajar Arpsau, Kular Sorkar Ïada, Yakabhakamiat, Jong Nongdie Madan. Kajekaran Bakila Patai Kubor, Ulaong Bakin Nongdie Madan Ru, Kideki Priola Jong, Bat Kintu, Bakin Long Kiba Yaisha, Bat Penpauru Sorkar, Ïada Yakabhakamiat, Kajongki.
We should identify more 3, 4, 5 because there are many occurs. So we are unable to tell you how many places exactly, and the identification process is still on us. Yeah, it's correct. Yes, we will do in phase wise, in phase manner.
Committee of
See now to the festive season has come, the Christmas, all these and so many holidays. We will see nicely though. Why we should rush? It should not be in a hurry. As of now, not postpone, but they will be there as it is, and when everything is in finalized together with the outcome, we will take a call. I cannot say this year or next year. Let's see. I am not going to ni how Jong gede ki bulchong ajok pi bepeli perkentai bat sentang ni kam tam ngeling nga kumu orban misal nga kerpar him bakim dei ban tension palat bakim dei ban kerke to ngin ya perkhalang kata ada na ki bulchong itu fi din berchano yaki. They are our own boys and girls, our own gents and women, ladies and gentlemen. Nandai katangin ya song lang ada kepasang tulang bro. Nandai begini tension.